Good morning, students. We have already learned comparing fractions. To compare two fractions with unlike numerators and unlike denominators, we find the LCM for their denominators and then convert them into equivalent like fractions. With the LCM as common denominators, we then compare the like fractions. Today, let us learn how to arrange the like and unlike fractions in ascending and descending order. First, the ascending order of like fractions. So let us take the fractions 1 by 9, 7 by 9, 2 by 9, 5 by 9 and 4 by 9. We have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. So we need the fractions to arrange from smaller to bigger. That is why we have to know which one is larger and which one is smaller than the other fractions. Here all the denominators are same. So look at the numerators alone. We know that 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 7. So 1 by 9 is less than 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is less than 4 by 9. And 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 9. And 5 by 9 is less than 7 by 9. So your answer is 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, then 7 by 9. Example 2. Arrange the fractions 3 by 17, 15 by 17, 7 by 17, 11 by 17 and 6 by 17 in the descending order. Solution. Here we have to arrange the fractions in the descending order. That means we have to arrange the fractions from bigger to smaller. Here also the denominators are same because they are like fractions. You have to look at the numerator alone and arrange the numbers in the descending order. We know that 15 is greater than 11 and 11 is greater than 7 and 7 is greater than 6 and 6 is greater than 3. So 15 by 17 is greater than 11 by 17. 11 by 17 is greater than 7 by 17. 7 by 17 is greater than 6 by 17. And 6 by 17 is greater than 3 by 17. So your answer for the descending order is 15 by 17, 11 by 17, 7 by 17 and 6 by 17 and 3 by 17. Next, the ascending and descending order of unlike fractions. Let us take the fractions 5 by 8, 3 by 4, 7 by 12 and 2 by 3. Here all the denominators are different. So we need some steps. First step, take the LCM of your denominators and next convert the fractions to like fractions. That means those having the same denominators. Then only we have to arrange them in ascending order. First, find the LCM of your denominators 8, 4, 12 and 3. Put them into the division bar and take the common divisors out and multiply the factors on the right side. We get 24. Then convert all the fractions into the same denominator 24. The first fraction is 5 by 8. Now which number should be multiplied with 8 to get 24? Yeah, good. It's 3 because 8 is a 24. Then multiply the same number to the numerator also. We get 15. So 5 by 8 is equal to 15 by 24. Just like that, change the other fractions also. we get 3 by 4 is equal to 18 by 24 and 7 by 12 is equal to 14 by 24 and 2 by 3 is equal to 16 by 24. Now all the denominators are same. So look at the numerators alone and arrange them in an ascending order. We get 14 by 24, 15 by 24, 16 by 24 and 18 by 24. Write the original numbers in that place. So your answer is 7 by 12, 5 by 8, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Example 4. Arrange 3 by 5, 1 by 2, 7 by 10, 5 by 6 in descending order. Here also all the denominators are different. So find the LCM of their denominators 5, 2, 10 and 6. Take the common divisors out and multiply the right side factors and we get the LCM is 30. Change all the fractions to the same denominator. We get 3 by 5 is equal to 18 by 30 and 1 by 2 is equal to 15 by 30 and 7 by 10 is equal to 21 by 30 and 5 by 6 is equal to 25 by 30. Now all the denominators are same. Then look at the numerators and arrange them in descending order. Now we get 25 by 30, 21 by 30, 18 by 30 and 15 by 30. Now put the original number in that place. So your answer is 5 by 6, 7 by 10, 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Let us watch the video.
Firstly, let us understand how to order like fractions. Look at the example. Arrange the given fractions in ascending and descending order. When the denominators of the given set of fractions are the same, arrange the numerators accordingly in ascending and descending order. So, we arrange the numerators in ascending order to get the fractions in ascending order as 3 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 7 upon 10 and 9 upon 10. Now, we arrange the numerators in descending order and get the fractions in descending order as 9 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 5 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. Now, let us learn to order unlike fractions with same numerators. Look at the example. Arrange the given fractions in ascending and descending order. For ascending order, when the numerators of the given set of fractions are same, arrange denominators in descending order to get fractions in ascending order. Thus, we get ascending order as 9 upon 8, 9 upon 6, 9 upon 5 and 9 upon 2. For descending order, when the numerators of the given set of fractions are same, arrange the denominators in the ascending order to get fractions in descending order. Thus, we get descending order as 9 upon 2, 9 upon 5, 9 upon 6 and 9 upon 8. Arrange the given sets of fractions in ascending and descending orders. Example 1. Numerators are same here. Thus, denominators arranged in descending order gives the fractions in ascending order as 14 upon 11, 14 upon 9, 14 upon 5, 14 upon 3, and denominators arranged in ascending order gives the fractions in descending order as 14 upon 3, 14 upon 5, 14 upon 9, 14 upon 11. Example 2. Here the denominators are same. So, on arranging the numerators, we get the ascending order as 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 7 upon 8, and descending order as 7 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8.
We are going to compare these fractions and we're going to arrange them in ascending and also descending orders. But let's just get used to a concept here. When you look at this picture of these three people and you were asked to compare them, you might make the mistake of thinking that the person in the middle is the tallest. But is it true? Well, you can't really tell unless you put them on the same level. So let's put them on the same level. So we can put our lady here on the line. Take this person here, put them on the same line. And lastly, take this person here, put him on the line. And immediately you see when you put them all on the same level, it's easy to see that, in fact, this one is the tallest, which it didn't look like at the beginning. So before you can compare fractions, you have to put them on the same level, and that means you have to arrange them to make them have the same denominators. So before we can compare fractions, we have to arrange them so that they have the same denominators. Let's look at that. So here we have our four fractions: 3/10, 1/2, 2/5, and 3/4. And before we can arrange them, we have to put them on the same level, which means we have to find the LCM of their denominators to make them the same. And in this case, the LCM of 10, 2, 5, and 4, we should know from our times tables, is 20. So we're going to turn all of these into fractions with a denominator of 20. And how do we do it? Well, we know by now how to make like fractions here. So 3/10 is the same as how many 20ths? Well, we have to times here everything by 2. 3 times 2 would give us 6. So 3/10 are the same as 6/20. Well, 1/2, we have to times the 2 by 10 to make it into 20. We'll do the same to the numerator. So 1 times 10 is 10. What about the 5? We have to multiply it by 4. We do the same to the 2 and it becomes 8. And lastly, what about here? Times it by 5. Do the same to the 3. So what does it become? 15. Now that we've got them all on the same level, meaning that all denominators are 20, all the fractions are now having the same denominators, we can now easily compare them. In ascending order, means starting from the smallest. So when we look here at our fractions here, we look to see which one has the least number of 20ths. Here we have the 6. And then we remember we're actually comparing these fractions. So 6/20ths are the same as 3/10. So let's make sure we write our original fraction, not the one that we made. So we can cross that out because we've used it. We look again, we see here 8/20ths, so that's the same as 2/5. Cross that out so that we know that I've used it. We look again, 10/20 here is half. And lastly, 3/4, 3/4. And so we've gone from the smallest to the largest, meaning we're ascending. And then, of course, descending means the opposite. We can just start from here, 3/4. Then we would have a half. Then we have our 2/5, and lastly, our 3/10. Well, so we should understand that. So now it's your turn to have a go at this. So have an activity where you're going to learn how to arrange fractions in ascending and descending order. If you're not sure, you can always watch this lesson again.
Students, do the assignment. We will discuss the answer in the next video. Students, please check the answers with your solutions. Thank you.